Hi, my name is Megan Harding, and I am a kindergarten teacher from Elsa Lane Elementary. Today I wanted to share with you a website that I use sometimes with my students to help them create dialogue between different characters. Witty Comics is a very simple website that can be used for a variety of subjects and assignments. Although it is not quite as interactive as some technologies that students are used to using, it is still very customizable and versatile. You could use this website to have students illustrate a conversation between characters in a book, important historical characters, or you could even have students make up a math word problem using this comic strip. To begin, search the words Witty Comics into the Google search bar and press enter. You will see click on the first link that pops up at the top of your screen. You will see a comic strip pop up on your page, ready to be customized. If you want to be able to save your comics, you can create a free account by clicking at the bottom of the page the Join Right Now button that my cursor is over top of. Now, if you just want to make a quick comic that your students can show you, you can simply customize the comic strip that is on your screen right now. So we will pretend today that we are having two characters from our book have a conversation. First, you're going to want to choose a scene from the first box underneath the comic strip. There are several different scenes you can choose from, and you'll see that changes immediately after you choose the scene behind you. You can scroll over and see several more scenes appear. Today we're going to pretend our characters are in a desert, so I am searching for a background that's going to fit that. And there's a good background of a desert. Then you can choose the character that fits the role you would want them to have. So at the bottom you'll see a Person 1 label, and you can scroll through those people until you come across someone who may fit the character you are looking for. Try several and they'll pop right up there for you to see. And I think we're going to go with a cowboy today to fit our desert theme. And we'll have him speaking with our Person 2 over here. You can scroll through those and find another character for them to be speaking with. We could have another a cowgirl speaking with them. Finally, you're going to go to the narration box and you will go to the words box, right here below your person, and type the words you want each of your people to be saying. So Person 1 may be saying, "Hi, how are you?" And you will see that pop right up in a box above our character, and you can also change the type of box it's popping up in. If you want them to actually be speaking the words, or if we want a thinking bubble that they're thinking those words. And you can repeat this process for the other two comic strips so that you have one that flows together. This website will help your students achieve ISTE Standard 2B. A comic strip is a different type of media that students can communicate their ideas through, and ISTE Standard 4D. By creating a comic strip, students will be looking at things from the perspective of the characters they are creating. I hope you find this useful for your students in your classroom. Thank you.